Hello friends, I am V. Subramanian, former National A player. Now we are going to see some incidents happened in the games of Magnus Carlsen, the World Chess Champion. The first two games are from 2019 World Blitz Championship, and the third and fourth game is from Chessable Masters held in June 2020, which is a rapid tournament. Both these tournaments were won by Carlsen only. In the second tournament, he beat Ding Liren in the semi-final, and in the final he beat Anish Giri. Okay, we will go straight to the video. What you are seeing is the game between Carlsen and Iniarkev, Eneston of Russia. Iniarkev is a super grandmaster. This game was played in 2019 in the World Blitz Championship. Here, Carlsen has given BB5 check, and Iniarkev has to move the king. He played king b6 attacking the rook on a7. Now Carlsen can take bishop at e8 this check, but Iniarkev can take the rook on a7. So Carlsen decided to give the rook on a7 after taking a pawn. So he played rook into b7 check. Now the game should have been continued like this only, that is rook into rook or king into rook, bishop into e8 check, discovered check, king moves, rook into rook check, king into rook, bishop into f7, n e3 check, king d3, n into g2. Now if you look at the position, it is seen that Carlsen has only one pawn plus and has an outside, that is an outside passed pawn also. He has bishop against knight, which is another advantage in the ending. So in all probability, Carlsen could easily win the game. However, what happened in the real game is different, which we will now see. See, after rook b7 check, Iniarkev, instead of moving his king, played n e3 check. I cannot give this move here as computer won't play illegal move. He gave a check when his king is already in check. But Carlsen completely forgot that he had given a check to Iniarkev and played king to d3. At this point, Iniarkev claimed the point, pointing out to arbiter that Carlsen has played an illegal move. Though Iniarkev played an illegal move, Carlsen did not point out and claimed the point. So, the point was awarded to Iniarkev. Reason: Carlsen played an illegal move. This was actually intriguing, but as per rule, the player who noticed the illegal move should claim the point, which Carlsen did not and which Iniarkev did. And so the point went to Iniarkev. This must be shocking to Carlsen, I believe. Okay, we move on to the next game. This game is played also in the World Blitz 2019 Championship, and the game is between Alireza and Carlsen. Alireza is an Iran player. Is number one world junior player. His rating is 27-28. Though Alireza is 2 pawn plus, winning this game is not possible because of the presence of the opposite color bishops, and also black can build up a fortress on black squares. But trying to win, Alireza consumed more time on his clock, and the game went like this. He played bishop c3, king f5, king there, king moved here, so king into pawn, king here. So after bishop f4, king g4, black played bishop d2. At this point, Alireza took more time but his clock fell. So he was declared lost on time and the point was awarded to Carlsen. But Alireza complained that the point should not be given to Carlsen and demanded the rule. So arbiter showed him the rule which states that even though sufficient mating material is not available, if a mating position is possible with the remaining pieces on the board, the player who lost on time is lost. But even then, Alireza is not satisfied and again appealed that Carlsen during the last phase of the game prompted something in Norwegian which disturbed him. So the arbiters again went through the game, some last 15 to 20 moves of the game and found that nothing happened like what Alireza said. So the point was awarded to Carlsen. Now we see how the mating position is possible in this position. By playing the worst possible moves by white only, he can be mated. It is like a self-mate only. See here, bishop into pawn is checkmate. So the checkmate is possible. So Carlsen was awarded the point. Now we move on to the next game. This game is between Ding-Liren and Carlsen. This game is played in the Chessable Masters in June 2020. This is an online tournament. So here Carlsen has an outside passed pawn, but the game cannot be won as black can also get a passed pawn on the king side immediately. See now, black moved king g4, rook b3, rook a2, king b6. At this point, there was an internet failure and Ding-Liren's connection was went out. And after time lapsed on the clock, he was declared lost on time. Without the fault of Ding-Liren, he was declared lost on time and the point was awarded to Carlsen even though the position was drawish. Now we move on to the next game played between these two players and see what Carlsen did in this game. This is the second game of the tournament. This there is 6 games in this match. Now Ding-Liren is white and he opened with c4, English opening. Carlsen replied with e6. Now comes g3. Carlsen came out with this queen g5 he played. Now bishop g2, queen into d2 check, bishop into d2 and the fourth move he resigned. So obviously Carlsen don't want to keep the point on moral grounds. He got on the previous round. He threw back the point on moral grounds and wanted to play the remaining 4 rounds on equal terms. This fair play of Carlsen was appreciated by many players. So if you like this video, please press like button and also subscribe button. Thank you for watching.